Caseware Audit's Winter 2020 release includes new features such as consolidation, financial groups mapping in the OPTIMISER, simple electronic signatures, dynamic reassignment, and an updated notes library. You can now use consolidation to combine several entities into one engagement file to publish consolidated financial statements. The data page now includes consolidation information for the engagement. You can look at financial data from the consolidated engagements, or for just the parent entity using these buttons. Consolidation also appears in the financial statements. The Planning Optimizer now includes a procedure that allows you to select mapping groups that are relevant to your engagements. For example, farming. When you select the mapping group from the procedure, financial groups associated with that industry become visible in the data page. To use e-signatures, select Yes to the electronic signature question in the Planning Optimizer. This enables the simple electronic signature question type for any queries that require client signatures. Once the client signs, you can download the signature log to view signing details. Instead of showing a negative amount on the asset side of an adjustment, our flips function automatically moves the corresponding amount to the liability section. If necessary, you can override this on the data page. We've reviewed our ASPE Notes library to ensure our notes are up to date, and added new content such as the going concern COVID-19 update. Check out the release notes to learn more about Caseware Audit's Winter release. Thanks for watching.